Does it take a long time to install an electric single girder overhead crane? No, we only need 2 workers and 2 hours to get it done. Let us show you how we can quickly install this bridge crane. Step 1. Install the end beam first. Step 2. Install the reducer. First, apply lubricating oil to the large gear ring, then install it. Then install the motor. Apply lubricating oil to the gearbox first, place a shockproof rubber pad, and then install the motor. Install the speed ratio wheel first, then install the motor. Step 3. Install the electric hoist. The 2 coils with a certain distance are pre-designed on the electric hoist. By using the steel ring, we can install it at once without adjusting the clearance. Hang the single girder, place the cushion, install the bracket, and tighten the bolts. Install the electrical box. Okay, the cable support is installed. The cable support and jumper rack. Okay, the cable bracket is installed. The trailer cable is installed. Next, install the LT electric control box. For easy maintenance, we install the LT electric control box on the upper part of the main beam. Insert the aviation plug. Because we use all aviation plugs, we do not need to wire. We only need to install the aviation plugs. The brake fire limit switch also uses aviation plugs. The trolley operating motor also uses aviation plugs. The assembly of the electric hoist is complete. This is our national standard hook, weight limiter, and heavy hammer limit switch. We use all aviation plugs, so we do not need to wire on-site and can quickly install them, including our LT drive, also using aviation plugs. The LT control line runs directly to the LT control box along the C-shaped steel. The LT uses an infrared travel switch, and the travel switch is installed in a row with a strong magnet, connected by aviation plugs. This is the overall installation effect of our electric hoist. Take a look at the overall effect.